Hello, are you ready to step into your own world? In today's fast-paced life, we often forget one important thing: ourselves. Today, the Vector will take you on a journey to find true joy and meaning in life by exploring personal hobbies. No need for maps or compasses, just curiosity and courage, and you can find simple yet meaningful joys. Join the Vector in exploring and pursuing hobbies that can change your life. Nothing is too small or insignificant if it brings joy and meaning to your life. Starting today, step into your own world. Part 1. Why are hobbies important? Have you ever thought that hobbies are just things you do in your spare time? In fact, they are essential vitamins that keep our spirit fresh, just like your morning coffee to wake you up, but this time without the sugar. When we are immersed in work and daily responsibilities, hobbies are the way we charge our souls. It's like when your phone shows 1% battery and you frantically search for a charger. Don't let your life fall into that state. Research shows that people who regularly have hobbies tend to be happier, more creative, and less stressed. You could say hobbies are like a best friend, always knowing how to make you laugh, even when you don't know why. Imagine a day without hobbies. You just go to work, eat, and sleep. Sounds boring, right? Hobbies add color to life, like adding toppings to pizza. Not necessary, but definitely making everything much more enjoyable. Moreover, hobbies open up opportunities to connect with like-minded people. Think of it as joining an army of people with the same mission. You'll never feel alone when you're surrounded by wonderful teammates. And now, prepare for the journey of self-discovery as we delve deeper into how to find your personal hobbies. Don't worry, no maps needed, just a soul ready to explore. Let's go. Part 2. Discover your hobbies. All right, now that we know how important hobbies are, it's time to start exploring together. But wait, does anyone else feel like we're treasure hunting without a map? Don't worry, just treat it as an exciting adventure. First, remember that experimentation is key. Just like tasting different ice creams before choosing your favorite, you need to try various activities to find what truly excites you. Be brave and step out of your comfort zone. Who knows, you might discover a hidden talent in sculpting clay or even playing the ukulele amazingly. No one is born a master. Everything starts with daring to try. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are part of the discovery process. Imagine a figure skater on the ice for the first time. There are bound to be some memorable falls, but that's okay, as those falls are the stepping stones to progress. A little tip is to listen to your heart. What activity makes you lose track of time? What makes you feel excited and want to keep doing it? That could be the hobby you are looking for. Also, seek inspiration from those around you. You can join clubs, take classes, or simply ask friends about what they are doing. Sometimes, just a small conversation can open the door to a new passion. After experimenting and listening to yourself, you'll be surprised at how much richer and more colorful your life becomes. So, what's next? Get ready to turn those hobbies into habits and make them an indispensable part of your life. Let's keep going. Part 3. Turn hobbies into habits. Congratulations on discovering your hobby. Now don't let it just sit on the shelf like unread books. It's time to make hobbies an essential part of your daily life. The first step is to schedule time for your hobby, just like you would for a close friend. It doesn't need to be too much, just regular and intentional. Consider it your golden time of the day. You might wonder how to remember to engage in your hobby regularly. Imagine your hobby as a sweet cake you don't want to miss a bite of. Set reminders on your phone or stick notes on the wall, like how you remind yourself not to miss the new episode of your favorite series. Additionally, try to create a conducive environment to pursue your hobby. If you like drawing, keep paper and pencils ready on the table. If you enjoy running, have your running shoes ready at the door. Don't let laziness stop you when everything is set. Another way to keep motivated is to connect with people who share the same passion. Joining clubs or community groups can help you find encouragement and share experiences with like-minded people. It's also a great way to expand your network of friends. Remember, maintaining a hobby is not always smooth sailing, but don't give up when facing challenges. Every challenge is just a lesson for you to improve. And the best part is, you're doing it for yourself. And now, as hobbies have become a part of your life, let them continue to nourish your soul and bring joy to each day. We have journeyed together to discover and pursue personal hobbies, from exploration to making them habits in life. This is not just a journey, but also a part of life, where every day can be a vibrant painting with the colors of passion. Hobbies are not just a small part of life, but also an endless source of inspiration and energy to overcome challenges and difficulties. Remember, life is like a big canvas, and you are the artist. Paint your life with the colors you love, creating a masterpiece that is uniquely yours. Finally, I want to leave you with a saying: live with passion, for it is the way to make each day a meaningful journey. Let hobbies guide you to new lands you've never known. Thank you for accompanying The Vector. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to spread this message to more people. See you in the next videos, and remember, life is always better when we have passions to pursue.